versus cash. Them boy, they have to time.
Look, they told me be patient, but I'm speed racing. Money I made in minutes is way more than what I spent a week chasing. Working retail, and that's a deep statement. I make less money in Ireland than I would from overseas payments, but I turn a molehill to a mountainous place. So I'm trying to turn a home into a housing estate where thousands will stay. And wisdom that I found in mistakes take a while to equate to wins and the amounts it would take. But I'm on such a high, like I must be on syringes. Even when they close the doors, they could've knocked me off the hinges. Going back for more, man, I want me all the riches. I'll be showing out galore, but I know it's all artificial. So I don't care what your view is, and I don't have no diamond rings, but I have lots of jewels. And I gained my highest perspective from rock bottom. Got caught in traffic when I stopped hopping off the Lewis, but knew if I stall or stumble on potholes, I know that I will be spared up. Cause if I fall,
I'll struggle tomorrow.
I know that I'm gonna get up. Yeah, I'm gonna get up. Cause I've gone through sorrow, man, God knows. I know when the going gets tough, that the tough get going. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. If I fall from struggle, I know that I'm gonna get up. Look, either way, there's brighter days upon us. I know violet rays of light will glaze upon us. Look, the mind was made for wonders. Don't need finer things, find a place you're fond of. I don't like that fate is promised, but it's mine to face if my mistakes are punished. Listen, either way, there's brighter days upon us. Don't have time to waste. I'm trying to make some time to pay some homage to the guys that made me want to write a rhyme on page for profit. Now my life's amazing, not writing from a place of bondage. The type of day I cry, create, and go to work from college. I was trying to say, I was paying for rehearsals from it. Now I'm kind of paid, try and trace the times it hurt my wallet. Used to find me lazy, now they find that I'm a workaholic. If it's hard to stomach or swallow, I know that I won't be fed up. Cause if I fall,
I'll struggle tomorrow.
I know that I'm gonna get up.
I know.
Yes, I'm gonna get up. Because I've gone through sorrow, man, God knows. I know when the going gets tough, that the tough get going. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. But if I fall tomorrow from struggle, I know that I'm gonna get up. Yeah, I'm gonna get up. Yeah, I know I'm gonna get up when the going gets tough. No, I'm gonna get up. I won't be fed up. Nah, I'm gonna get up when the going gets tough. Yeah, I'm gonna get up.